Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start with safety. Turn the circuit breaker off and confirm 0 voltage with a tester. Once done, position the magnetic track where mounting marks a line and hold it up to verify fit. You attach the feed connector to the end cap while you feed the house wires through. Strip 1/2 inch of insulation and twist like colors together. Make sure grounding is connected and loosely secure screws so you can adjust alignment before final tightening. You now fasten the track to the ceiling, using anchors where there isn't a stud. Tighten screws until the track is snug but not warped. Once mounted, tighten the feed connector screws while holding the stripped wires in place. Connect live to live and neutral to neutral, then attach ground. Make sure polarity alignment is correct before connecting additional track sections. Improper polarity prevents fixtures from working. After electrical joins, test mechanical locks and sliding joints so the magnetic heads will seat correctly. You fit each magnetic fixture onto the track by aligning contacts and rotating or sliding until it clicks. You should feel firm contact so power flows. Once all fixtures are set, restore power and test each head and any dimmer or switch for correct operation. If a lamp doesn't light, turn power off and inspect seating, contact cleanliness, and wiring polarity. Loose seating or reversed polarity are common issues. Make sure to reseat or replace connectors and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.